Hello everyone, my name is Gan Tieer and I come from China. I work at the first affiliated hospital of Zhejiang Chinese Medical University. I'm engaged in hospital infection prevention and control. I'm very pleased that our article, Investigation of Failure of Flexible GI Endoscope Disinfection because of Burkholderia patient contamination in irrigation tubing, has been accepted by GRE. It is my great honor to record this interview video to introduce our findings. This is the Digestive Endoscopy Center of our hospital. It is renovated in 2023, and it covers an area of approximately 500 square meters. About 100 patients will come here to receive GI endoscope examination treatment every day. The story I'm going to tell you happened between May and July 2021, before the renovation. Why did we feel a need to do the study? The quality of cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization of flexible GI endoscopes is of great concern. In May 2021, the rate of bacterial contamination of endoscopes of this center exceeded the acceptable limit. However, the disinfection guidelines recommended by the Health History Standards of the People's Republic of China, Regulation for Cleaning and Disinfection Technique of Flexible Endoscope, failed to completely eliminate the infection of the endoscope. So our study was performed to identify the possible reason for the flexible GI endoscope disinfection failure and to find a solution. How did we do it? We conducted an on-site inspection of the entire process of endoscope disinfection. Samples from environmental surroundings and endoscopes in the center were collected and analyzed for microbial contamination and gene contents. What did we find? We found that all the cleaning and disinfection steps were performed and no obvious defects were detected in either the manual cleaning process or the automatic sterilizer process. What exactly is the problem? Among the isolated bacterial strains, the Burkholderia patient was predominant and was detected on environmental objects, irrigation tubings, endoscopes, and automatic sterilizers. Gene sequence tells us that the isolated strains were evolutionarily related and are homologs. The detection of Burkholderia patient in the irrigation tubing of the integrated endoscopic washing workstation caught our attention. What is irrigation tubing? The sinks of the integrated endoscopic washing workstation have external irrigation tubing and the building irrigation tubing. The racing sinks have one-way flow injection pipelines, that is, the injection water comes from the water source. The detergent and disinfection sink has a circulating irrigation tubing, that is, the perfusion water comes from the liquid in the sink and forms a self-circulation system. The external irrigation tubing is short, removable, and disinfected, whereas the building irrigation tubing is slender, non-removable, and not disinfected. Thus, we identified that the potential reason for the failure of endoscope disinfection was the contamination of the building irrigation tubing. What have we done and what have we gained? The targeted improvement measures, changing the building irrigation tubing, including the circulating irrigation pump, and the daily disinfection of the circulating building irrigation tubing at the end of the day's work, significantly reduced the disinfection failure. After implementation of these preventive measures, the qualification rate of disinfection increased to 100%, and the detection rate of the Burkholderia patient decreased to 0. What should come next? Local and international guidelines do not specify the disinfection of building tubing for irrigation. Based on the findings of this study, we recommended that further investigation on the reprocessing of the irrigation tubing and accessories of the integrated endoscopic washing workstation be carried out. Furthermore, there is limited evidence on endoscope disinfection failure caused by Burkholderia cepacia. Therefore, more research should focus on it. It is widely distributed in national environments, which are mostly opportunistic passengers and cause various nosocomial infections. Conclusions. This study highlights the importance of routine biological surveillance to control the quality of endoscope cleaning and disinfection. The primary reason for endoscope disinfection failure was Burkholderia cepacia contamination in the building irrigation tubing. The results emphasize the importance of thorough cleaning of the non-detachable irrigation tubing, which is usually neglected. Thank you.